I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody. So it wasn't too long ago that I posted a video opening up two desktop hard drives, 3.5-inch hard drives. Just show you the insides and all the parts. And I figured, what the heck, let's go and do the same thing for a couple of laptop hard drives. So these are hard drives that have failed, and they failed in such a way that I couldn't wipe them with the computer, so I gotta destroy them. Gotta dismantle them. So we have a 500 gig Western Digital and a Hitachi. You gotta look these over closely to find their size. Find their size. Yeah, not sure whether it's a 750 gig or a 640. The only thing I don't like about Hitachi drives is they're sometimes they're just not so upfront about their size. Like, for example, Western Digital has it pretty clearly stated, 500 gigs. So as you may be able to see, the Western Digital drive is thinner than the Hitachi. The Western Digital is from 2016. The Hitachi is from 2012. So we'll get to dismantle a thin drive as well as a conventional size one. So let's go ahead and start taking your screws out. And you can see we have some hidden screws on these as well. We'll start out with the Hitachi. I'll show you, since it's a conventional thickness drive. It's a 7mm drive. I can't remember off the top of my head. Yeah, I'd say roughly 7mm. The Western Digital is a 5mm roughly. Yeah, y'all gotta excuse me, it's been a long day. Got some big news coming. I haven't announced it on the channel just yet, but I will be making an announcement here pretty soon, provided things work out. Really excited about it. Okay, so here's a look inside the Hitachi. This one has two platters in it. So yeah, two platters, definitely, it's definitely crammed for a laptop hard drive. I believe this one over here is a single platter. As I think I may have mentioned in my prior video, of course, how hard drive technology has come along, they can fit more data on less platters. So the Western Digital drive has a ton of hidden screws. We'll go ahead and pull the cover off of it. So this one has a bunch of hidden screws. So you had the ones under the of course, under like the stickers, and you also had the ones under the label. So I'm going to open this one up. Okay, So here's a look inside both drives. You can see the Western Digital. You may be able to see. It is thinner, of course. The Western Digital is a single platter drive. I'm going to start tearing these apart. Construction is similar. Get my nice fingerprints all over these platters now. Now these, the platters in these laptop hard drives, I believe they're kind of made of glass. This feels like glass. It feels like it's just coated with, of course, a coating. So you want to be very careful when handling these, as they could break on you if you have to listen. It's definitely glass. It's very lightweight. Then we'll go ahead and see if we can get that read-write arm out of there. Take the circuit board off the bottom, if we can. Heck, it's almost like that riveted onto the bottom. Yeah, I'm looking, and I don't see... Yeah, interesting. Yeah, these ain't screws, at least what I can tell. It's like they're rivets. You know, we'll take the arm out. Of course, there's a nice there's a nice magnet that we need to save. This one has two magnets in it. Let me adjust this camera a little better, that way you can better see what I'm doing when I'm handling the thing. Yeah, I'm not exactly most familiar with how laptop drives are put together. It's almost like they use rivets sometimes to throw these things together. So, and probably Western Digital cheaping out wherever they can. I mean, look at this Hitachi drive. We got, looks like we have definitely more screws in it. If we look at the bottom of it, you can see the circuit board is screwed into place, not riveted. So I'm going to go ahead and toss this one to the side. I was able to get one magnet out of it at least. Yeah, these are strong little magnets. Alright, now onto the Hitachi. I'll tell you, whenever you open up a hard drive and look at the insides of it, the internals of it, it definitely is a reminder of why you should back up your data if you care about it. especially with laptop hard drives. I mean, they're so fragile. Okay. I was gonna say, I was gonna say is okay. Is this a single platter drive or a double platter? Yeah. I have to look back at the video. I think one of the platters like slid. So that's the Hitachi without the platters in place. And you can tell by the right arms. Of course, that was a single platter, and that was a two platter. Alright, let's continue on. Let's go ahead and take out the read right arm assembly, as I think we should easily be able to with this one, unlike the Western Digital. Okay, that's one of the magnets out of the Hitachi. And they're definitely more stout than the ones in the Western Digital. Okay, so it looks to get the arm out of this one, we got to take another screw out, which is hidden by this replace with HP spare sticker. Lovely. Okay, so that's the read-write arm. That's the other magnet. And while they're not exactly as powerful as the one you get out of desktop hard drives, they're still quite strong. Alright, let's take this circuit board off of here. If I even got the if I even got the screwdriver for it. That is really, really tiny. That is a really small, like precision size Torx bit. Yeah, unfortunately I don't have anything small enough to get those out, I don't think. Also see if maybe this flathead would be able to get in there, but no. Unfortunately, that's what it looks like. So, I guess we're going to end it there. So, that is a look inside to laptop hard disk drives. Basically, just a smaller form of what you have in a desktop hard drive. And let's show you the Western Digital one again. Again, not exactly. Oh, will you look at that? Alright, so the Western Digital decided to voluntarily take itself apart for us. So yeah, to read the the read-write arm does come out. Well, that was a nice surprise near the end of the video. So there's a magnet. Yeah, there you have it. Look inside two laptop hard drives. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to keep your channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.